Okay, kids, let's start our happy counting song. Are you ready to count from 1 to 10? Clap your hands, move your feet, and let's have fun together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's start counting. 1, number 1 is fun. Number 1, let's sing together. Number 1, 2, number 2, count the world in twos with you. Happy counting. Number 2, 3, number 3, sing along so cheerfully. Let's count together. Number 3, 4, number 4, let's count a little more, dancing forward. Number 4, 5, number 5, let's keep the fun alive, clap and smile. Number 5, 6, number 6, magic counting little tricks, jump with joy. Number 6, 7, number 7, rainbow colors up in heaven, let's sing loud. Number 7, 8, number 8, counting feels so really great, spin around. Number 8, 9, number 9, counting makes us all feel fine, sing with me. Number 9, 10, number 10, let's start over once again. Happy counting. Number 10. Great job, everyone. You counted from 1 all the way to 10. Let's keep learning, singing, and having fun together every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.